Let's take a look at how to use an alternative app store Setapp Mobile on your iPhone. If you are in the EU and have an Apple account that has its region set to an EU member state, you can install alternative app marketplaces onto your iPhone. You will also need an iOS version 17.4 or later. To install Setapp Mobile on your iPhone, open Safari and go to setapp.com/setapp-mobile. Here you'll see the outline of requirements and the Get Setapp Mobile button. Tap it and sign up to Setapp. Type in your name, email, and choose a password. Once you are done, tap Continue. Next, since Setapp Mobile is a subscription, set up your free trial. Now, add your payment details. With that out of the way, tap Install Setapp Mobile. Your phone will warn you that you are installing a marketplace by MacPaw Way Limited from the web. Tap OK to confirm. Next, move from Safari to your iPhone settings. There, you'll find the message, Allow Marketplace from MacPaw Way Limited under your Apple username and tap on it. Confirm installation by tapping Allow. Now go back to Safari to the Setapp Mobile page and tap Install Setapp Mobile. Next, tap Install App Marketplace. Tap Continue. Another verification, and Setapp Mobile starts downloading. Okay, so now you have Setapp Mobile on your phone. How do you install an app from it? Tap the Setapp Mobile icon on your home screen and browse the apps inside Setapp Mobile. There are 52 apps in the marketplace right now, and the list keeps growing. To install, pick any app and tap on it. Next, tap the Install button and you will be redirected to Setapp to confirm. Here, you'll need to log into Setapp once again, so enter your email and the password you've created at the beginning of this video and tap Sign In. Complete the CAPTCHA if required. Once you are done, tap Go to Setapp Mobile, then Install App. Once the app is downloaded, tap Open to activate it. And there you go! You can now use the app like any other app on your iPhone. Go back to Setapp Mobile at any time, install more apps, view the apps you've already installed, and just explore. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful to you, and if you have any questions about this flow, drop us a comment below.